Hello. Yeah, so in the last video, I reproduced this issue about that uh, the attached PDF and everything is strict and populated, and also I discussed about how it should have like populated two PDF or something like that. And now let's talk about why this happened. This issue came right. So I'm here on the signature controller, which is the controller class of the Visual Force component, which is used to sign on the site. And while signing the record, we populate some of the fields like the PDF template name. If the PDF template is passed in the URL, either using the experience ID or parents records formula field or directly in the URL, you know. But you can see that here something like this was done. Like if PDF is not null, then populate the PDF one. Otherwise, check if the signature record have PDF template null and the custom setting is populated with a basic PDF, then it will populate the basic PDF right here. Same thing is done for email template, email PDF field, which is like email PDF. If the email PDF is passed in the URL, then it will work that way. Otherwise, it will populate the email PDF thing from the um, default setting. Same thing is done for attachment and for attach to PDF. So this is all commented right here, because these things were moved to a single class, which is the parameter util. Now about the record here. So you see that attached PDF is strict, attached PDF parent is strict, and PDF template is populated, and the email PDF is not ticked. This is because of the setting that we have. Attached PDF after signature is ticked, attached PDF to parent is ticked, and at email PDF is not ticked. So that's why, because the value is coming from the default custom setting. So this is the signature controller class, and everything is commented right here. But the main class which now handle these things is parameter util. What this class does is this class run when the component load. The component load can be loaded at the time of signature. So it process like the formula. If the parent field is used or experience ID is used, everything. So it get all the parameters right there, and at the end there is one method which run, which is like update from custom setting. So it will update the fields from custom setting. It update the attached PDF after signature. Update the attached PDF to parent, email PDF, and PDF template. And there are some conditions like if the attached PDF parameter is not in the URL, so it will get the value from custom setting and override this one, populate this one. And same thing is happening for others. And for the PDF template, it check if the signature record have like the PDF template as a blank or null, right here. Sign record, signature records, PDF template is null, which in our case is null. And the PDF is so it will get the PDF template from the you know custom setting, and it will populate. So that's what happening, this method. And I want some suggestions, so, to like how to manage this one, because in this scenario the URL is blank, right? There is nothing here right here. So if I will do this, then it will it will not override to 1, it will be already 0. But we don't do this. This class does not know if it needs to populate the value from the custom setting or not, the default ones. So what is the criteria when we need to populate the values from custom setting, when not? We like, I don't understand this, how to do this. Generally what happen, either if experience ID is passed here, or the formula field is passed here, or the parameters are directly passed here, then I know that if we need to like do this or not. But in our case there is nothing, so it just overriding everything from here. So that's what happening. And if I come here, I just do this, I just comment this one and then test. You can see that it will work as a design as you want it to. So this is the method that I am talking about. This is totally right now creating the issue. Please suggest me about how to. This is parameter util class, and this is the last method, which is update the parents from like custom setting. I just commented this thing and just After commenting, let's see if we can reproduce the issue or this is the reason. I already tested everything, but I just wanted to show you. So make it less tabs. Where is 82? This is 82. Okay, and let's delete everything right here and check if this is the reason. Uh, let's clear everything and make it just like a requested signature. Also delete this one. I already deleted the processes which were created while requesting the PDF, so there is nothing. Now I think after signing it will create one process record for the template, Google template, to process this one. Before that I should just reset this one to clicked and clear these fields, you know, just make it like it was when we requested the signature. Okay, and just clear this one. I don't need to clear this one because when requested it will populated this field. um, so that's fine. Now everything is reset. It's actually reset. So if I come here and just remove the logs, so if I like, okay, just make this. If I come here and I do this one, you see that if I do this one, you know what happened, right? It will just tick the attached PDF while signing the signature. This is what happened. But if this is this one, then it's fine. But when we don't pass anything, that the method that I just told you, that will like, you know, populate the fields from custom setting, and that's what happened. So let me clear the logs again. Come on. Why this is happening? Anyway, just give me a second. I don't know what happened. Yeah. So it's now let's sign this one and one. My internet is very slow. Yeah, this happened. So let's see what happened after signing the record. This will be signed. Yeah, everything is as is supposed to be. The signature PNG is right here. Let's see the debug log. So it got like email to PDF, email to Apex, which is the email service. It ran and it sent everything to Apex. Now it will not run anything, I guess, because there is no need, I guess, to like process the template, which is a question to me. Like now we do like neither the attached PDF nor attached PDF parent or email PDF is true. This will like there is no need to process, I think, and that's what I'm thinking right now. But let me reset everything and do one thing, which is I think the proper way to test this one. So if I do this one, I think that's why it's not processing, because there is no need to process, I guess, you know. And let's say just save this one and do one more thing with one change. So with this thing and see if this is what it want. um, okay, so everything is reset again. Now I make one change, which is this one. you know what I'm doing, that I'm passing this one to 1 so that it will just check attach PDF to 1. So it need to process something, and I want to see if it processes the Google Doc, because okay, now let's do this. 1 2 save. Now it will update the record. No, it's not this one. Signed attach PDF true. You see that because I passed it in the URL. Now you see that queuable is started after like email to Apex hand. This is a email service handler. Now that it started processing the Google template, which that's why it created a record, the processor. And it will, after processing, it will attach the PDF right here. So you can see it attached here. This is the same PDF. Yep, yep, right here. Now this is like, this is how it's supposed to work. Now I want to ask you about like what should I do about this last one, which is actually it just populate these attached PDF to parent and attached email PDF field and the PDF template from custom setting, when it is either like not in the URL or passed somehow, or like this is null, the field is null, so this override. I just commented this one for now, and please check and let me know about this one. Second thing is that when like neither these fields are like ticked, neither these three, there is no need to process template. I guess that's how it was always, like we only process we generate the template when we need to attach it on any of record, or we need to mail. So let me know about that one, because after testing with the attached PDF, it worked fine. And you know, it worked fine with the you record, the one you're testing as well, when you like on the T2, yeah. So when you like did this one, it processed successfully. So no, not this one, sorry, I got confused. uh, 81, yeah, this 81, yeah. So when you like it somehow got tagged, and then it generated the second one, P15, because these ones were tagged. So let me know about that one. What should I do about this? I think if this somehow get fixed, or this for now it's commented, it's working as expected. So let me know about that. Thank you.